Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow popcorn at home. Start by measuring 1/2 cup popcorn kernels, 3 tablespoons butter, and 3 cups mini marshmallows. Heat the pot on medium, test with 2 kernels, then add the rest and cover. Shake the pot gently while popping to prevent burning. Remove from heat when popping slows, then transfer to a large bowl before adding marshmallow mixture. Melt marshmallows with butter in a microwave-safe bowl or over low heat for a smooth, spreadable sauce. Stir constantly and use short bursts in the microwave, about 20 seconds at a time, to avoid burning. Remove when glossy and pourable, then add a pinch of salt or a dash of vanilla if you like. Work quickly because marshmallow sets fast, and have your popped popcorn ready to coat evenly. Pour melted marshmallow over the popcorn and fold gently with a spatula until every kernel has a thin coating. For popcorn bars, press the mix into a greased 9x13 tray using parchment paper to compact it, then cool until set. For a loose snack, spread on a sheet and let it cool slightly before serving. Store leftovers in an airtight container to keep texture for a day or two.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.